Wonderfully located, impeccably renovated family home in the heart of Gladesville. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute honour today to show you through this amazing family gem here in a brilliant location. Let's go take a look. Not a stone has been left unturned in this renovation. It's an amazing family home, but what I think most people will love is the floor plan on offer, as well as that indoor and outdoor flow, which is perfect for the growing family. Whether it be the wonderful renovations or the estate-like feel behind the electric gate and secluded location, this property is definitely a must to see. If you have any further questions, make sure you give me a call and I'm more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.